Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or household problem of TimeTree app. We click on settings. Here in this page, in this first page we click on apps. Then you can search about TimeTree. Here we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.